Mihango ya mathomo kuri arutwo thukuru-ini cia junior secondary cia muingi yahota gutharara thutha wa arutani othe aria makoretwo makiruta wira rungu rwa mutaratara wa internship kwanirira gukagoma guothe bururi-ini tariki 13 kiumia giukite riria arutwo magacokereria mathomo ma tamu ya KERI.
We want to send a message to the government, the national government, the Teacher Service Commission and the Ministry of Education. JSS teachers are not going to report to school.
So we insist that parents should be aware that their children will be in school without teachers, and anything that may happen to them is upon the parents.
Arutani aya aria ni Makiria ma 60,000 na aria mandikitwo ni kamiti ya TSC ta interns na mushara wa shiringi 17,000 kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 ni maugite angikorwo thirikari ndikumandika wira ta arutani a gutura na macoke marihwo mbeca ciao ciothe iria marutire wira mari rungu rwa mutaratara wa internship gutire ono moga kinyithia kuguru gwake thukuru-ini ici.
Teachers who shall report to any institution, they are also engaging in an illegality, and they are also prosecutable by law.
Maugite matacukite ikinya riri thutha wa kiria maugite kamiti ya kwandika wira arutani TSC ni yagararite watho wa igoti ria mashira ma wandikani riria rianiriire tariki 17 mweri wa kana mwaka uyu mutaratara wa internship kuri arutani aya ni mugaru na watho.
The internship program was rendered illegal, null and void.
TSC, as per the 10th of April this month, tried to seek stay orders against the judgment that was delivered on 17th April 2024, and they received no orders. It should be clear that the orders were not given to stay the judgment. That means internship remains illegal.
Makianirira notithi ya mugomo uyu arutani aya ni maugite ni makinyaniirie mathomo ma urutani na makaheo marua ma urutani ni kamiti ya TSC na uguo ihinda ria kumahinyiriria na mushara wa magoto ni muhetuke ni mahinda.
The commission has been given timelines from today until 1st of August to call the teachers and renegotiate in line with the court judgment.
We are aware that the appeal has no merit and it has no basis of appeal.
Kuna mkataba ambao unaweza turuhusu tukue shuleni na sheria imesha kanusha kwamba haifai tuwe shuleni. Ndio sababu tumeamua sasa hivi tuseme hatuwezi rudi shuleni.
Hadoine Hakameme TV Jetagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
Power! Google's power!